Deep beneath Antarctica's frozen surface, scientists have recorded something chilling. Strange, unexplained sounds echo from the icy depths. Some say it's shifting ice, but others believe it's something more. Could it be the call of an unknown species? A signal from a hidden underground world? Or something not of this Earth? Whatever it is, scientists can't explain it. And the deeper they dig, the stranger it gets. What's really making these eerie noises in Antarctica? Subscribe for more mind-blowing mysteries.